Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? Everybody's good? Let me start this by a question. Did you know that there's actually wealth in waste? Did you actually know that there's gold in recycling? Let me explain. Khayelitsha has about 1.2 million people, and these people, they make 4 kilograms of recyclable materials per week. Now, turn that to a monthly basis, this adds up to 25.6 million kilograms of recyclable materials produced by Khayelitsha alone. Step. Now, what do we do in order to take care of this waste? At the moment, not very much. A lot of the waste that is produced by Khayelitsha is taken to landfills, which is more hazardous for the environment. You can walk down the streets of Khayelitsha, will see them littered with papers, plastic bags, which could be used for recycling. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Wandisile Nqeketho, and the name of my business is Ilima Green Solutions. Ilima Green Solutions actually empowers members of the community to collect recyclable materials in exchange of shopping vouchers. Now, why shopping vouchers? They're good for the people. While they're collecting those recyclable materials, it actually creates a clean and a healthy environment for them. But what's more importantly, we're actually putting food on many poor people's tables. Food on the table for many people. Now, moving to the financials. Ilima Cleaning and Recycling, Ilima Green Solutions has 27 people that's working with them. We make an average of 40 tons. This is 40,000 kilograms on a monthly basis. This adds up to 15,400 rands. We only need 220,000 to build Khayelitsha's first buyback center, Khayelitsha's first recycling buyback center. And we'll employ 5 more guys. And this will actually, in the next 2 years, we can actually hire 5 more guys. 24, that will increase our collection capacity into 20%. Have that 20% now, we'll be able to earn 18,480 rands on a monthly basis. Investing on Ilima Green Solutions is not actually investing on the children standing here before you, but investing on Ilima Green Solutions, you're actually investing on the Khayelitsha itself. Investing on Ilima Green Solutions is changing someone's life. Let's change everybody's lives, people. Let's green the Khayelitsha. Thank you.